up a new Crumbl by me. I've never been in there before, but let me tell you, every time I drive by, there are lines and lines of people. So I'm gonna go on in now and see what this is all about. As soon as you enter the store, one whole wall is covered with Crumbl. And I took a little peek in the back. Oh, there were so many workers busy making cookies. And on the counters in the front, they have all little like computers, and you just plug in what you want. And here's some examples. It shows you what the cost is for single, 4-pack, 6-pack, or 12-pack. And each week they feature 6 items. And they're different. So when I went today, 3 of the cookies were already sold out. So I took 3 that were available. I think this one's more like a cake. They're $4.99 each. These are the large ones. I think this is like a lemon raspberry. This was a chocolate one. And I think this was a sugar cookie with frosting. I haven't tasted them yet. So at the end, I will give you my thoughts, but I don't know. I said, I think they're expensive, $5 a cookie. But anyway, I'll taste them and I'll give you my thoughts in a little bit. Okay, so here's the part you've been waiting for, the taste testing. So as I told you before, each week, Crumbl features 6 cookies. And then after the week, following week, there's 6 more cookies, and they keep alternating. From what I heard, they have 275 different kind of cookies. Can you believe it? And I think 1,000 locations. It's amazing. So for now, I'm going to tell you the cookies that they were featuring this week, and I have it down here. It was the week of August 12th to August 17th, 2024. And when I went in there, the featured cookies were the milk chocolate chip, the lemon blackberry cake, the classic pink sugar, the chocolate cake batter, the Kentucky butter cake, and the original M&M peanut butter chocolate candy cookie. Unfortunately, I went in there fairly late and 3 of the cookies were sold out. The milk chocolate chip was sold out, the Kentucky butter cake was sold out, and the M&M peanut butter chocolate candy one was sold out. So I was already in there and I thought, you know what, let me just try them. So I told you they come in the full size or they come in minis. So I got 3 full-size ones, and when they called my name, this is how they come. They give them to you in a little box that says Crumbl on them, and on the box it says, bringing family and friends together over the best desserts in the world. So we're going to try them out now and see what I think. So let me open up this box. Oh, I'll take it out. But this one is the chocolate cake batter one. Hopefully you can see this. And it says, the description of this is the chocolate cake batter one. It says, a rich chocolate cake batter cookie swirled with fudge frosting and topped with chocolate cake batter cake balls and vibrant sprinkles. So let me take this out. I'm going to do a little taste testing. Whoa, I gotta tell you, When I first looked at it, I thought, that's not so big. It's heavy. It's very, very heavy. All right. So I'm going to I should have brought a knife with me, but I'm just going to cut off a little piece of this and taste it. This is a big cookie. I would say you could probably easily cut it in half, and 2 people can have it. So let me give this a taste test, and let me tell you what I think. It's chewy, sweet, it's a heavy cookie. It's good. The icing is sweet. Well, I like it, but am I jumping up and down? Not really, because I'm a baker, and it just tastes like a chocolate cookie. So anyway, it's good. It's good. I don't know what I would rate this. Maybe I don't know, 7 out of 10. Alrighty, but it's very heavy. It's a substantial cookie. Let me see what the other one tastes like. Now, there was somebody standing next to me in the store when I was trying to decide, because 3 of them were sold out. He told me this one was good, so we'll see. This one, it's got pink icing. Let me see the description of this. This is a classic, where is it? A classic pink sugar cookie. Here's what it says. So let me hold this up in the box. You can see that. Let me take that out and see what I think. Oh, I tell you, I am amazed at how heavy these all are. I think it's nice they put them in these individual little boxes if you want to, because they're not inexpensive. These are $4.99 each. So if you want to buy one and give it to somebody as a little gift, it's nice in the little pink box. So let me see what this one tastes like. This is soft because it is a cake. Alrighty. This is good, but for me, the icings are very sweet. But it's good. I would say maybe an 8 on this one. So, like I said, this is my first time buying anything from Crumbl. Maybe these 3 wouldn't be cookies that I would normally choose, except the other 3 were sold out, so I didn't have a choice. I will tell you, the store was crowded. I never saw so many kids in there, like high school. They look like high school age kids. People were walking out of there with big boxes of these, and I asked one, I said, is it always this crowded in here? And he said, well, yeah, because it's the only one around here. It only opened up, I think, about a month ago. So anyway, I think they're very good. Do I think that I could make these 3? Probably. I mean, it's a basic poppy seed cake, and it has a very sweet icing. It doesn't really taste like a cream cheese icing. It's good. The icings are too sweet for me though, but the cookies are good. So anyway, that's my take on the taste testing. So I hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to see what next week's are going to be. I think you got to go earlier in the day before they're all sold out. So I hope you enjoyed my little review of Crumbls. It's very popular and people love them. And like I say, maybe these are just 3 of the sweeter ones. I would have liked to have tried their chocolate chip, and oh, they have so many flavors. So anyway, maybe I'll be back. It's only about a mile up the road from me. So maybe I'll be back another time soon with another taste testing on different flavors. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all, and I'll see you soon.